Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your girl Christine Put, and I'm all about everything and anything. And in today's video, I'm gonna help you or show you how to remove copyright on your videos. Right, like once you already uploaded them on your YouTube and then you get a copyright or a strike, this is how you can remove it so that you can save yourself some money. Yeah, and avoid yourself from deleting those videos. So do not delete them, but remove the copyright. So now let's get into it. Okay guys, so this is my YouTube studio. Guys, if you don't have YouTube studio, please download it. It will help you a lot with editing, removing copyright, and managing your finances once you monetize your YouTube, and also be able to schedule and see how your videos are. So I'm pretty much sure you just saw some of the videos that I uploaded there. Yeah, some other videos say HDD processing because those are the videos that I have already removed copyright from. And then all these other videos you're seeing is videos that I removed all my copyrights, and look at how clean it is, not even one copyright. And then this one, it says checking one found. That's when I remove the copyright from the video, right? It replaces it with a new sound or a new beat, or probably just mutes it. So you go on the video, click on copyright, and then you go to the screen. This is the screen where it shows all the video and all the things that are going through it. But since I already edited it, I don't have to edit it anymore. This is the sound that I was placing on the song, and I already replaced with another song where you click on action. So this is the song that I was using. This way action, I was clicking it, but since I already replaced it, I cannot click it on it again. So this is how it's supposed to look when you go to the copyright section once you're in YouTube Studio, right? So let's go to a video that I can assist you guys to show you how this goes. I know it's probably like a small screen for you guys, but yeah, it will really help. Just go to YouTube Studio, and then you will go in content, and then you will see all your videos and all the videos that has copyright. So you can see how it looks like once you have replaced the sound. It said HD present to HD. So now let's go to the video that has copyright, and then click on see details. This is how it looks like once you have copyright but you did not remove the sound. So now let's go to the sound. It will literally show you where the copyright is and which song it is. You can choose to keep it there because it is not affected or copyright strike, but I prefer to remove the copyright so that once I'm monetized, it does not affect me at all. So it says the owner of the song says you can use it. It does not affect your video, but it will affect you once you monetize. So its best thing is to just remove it. So this is how it's supposed to look like. Okay, so now let's go to action and try and remove the sound. So you have about 4 options: trim out segment, replace the song, mute the song, or dispute it. Probably it's your song and you want to dispute that it is your sound and it's not somebody else's sound, or it is your sound, you just want to give it a content ID. So this is where you can go for disputing. It probably takes a little bit longer because they need to find that it truly is your sound, or you have somebody who can. So you have also the mute part where you just mute the whole part. Probably it's also gonna mute if you're talking at that part, so it's gonna mute that. It's gonna be silence in court once you're watching the video. So it's always best to just replace the sound. I don't want to mute the sound. You can also replace it with a new beat. The songs are bad. They're not as cool as the ones that we have from copyright free music with the real beats. It's just like a ringtone type of sound. But hey, if you feel that it's suitable for your channel, you can probably choose it. It will take a long time. It won't take that much, but it will take a certain time. Or you can cut the segment and probably want to cut out a part of your video if you feel like it. Hey, but it's gonna make your work bad. So I prefer not to cut it out, probably replace the sound or mute it or dispute it. But cutting out the segment, nah guys, no. So I'm going to replace the sound. So you click on the replace sound. From others are probably they want to mute, but I really feel that the best way is to replace the sound. It's much easier and it keeps your channel lively and vibrant. Yeah, the beat might just suffer for once, but I'll show you how to get a sound that will prevent you from doing this again. So yeah, I was taking a long time here illustrating to you guys. Anyway, now let's go to replace the sound. Click on it and say continue. Hypo. Okay, so now you're at the screen that shows you which songs are copyrighted. So I already replaced about 3 of the songs, yeah, with the beats here on the side. You can listen to each and one of the songs and it will just help you on. So mine, the song that I need to remove is the one with the red, because it's already monetized that side. When I say monetized, that means they earn money from every video that has used their sound. So you'll be basically you'll be working to pay them off, basically, you know. So it's better not to lose your money to nobody's beats and get a copy and remove the copyright on your video so you can enjoy. So I already took 3 of the songs, and not the worst of the worst, but yeah, you know, they somehow smooth in with the type of video because it was a vlog at Botanical Gardens, so the beats were a bit aligned with nature. So you can just scroll it down and look for any beats you might want to use, and then just scroll down until you get the actual sound that you want. You can just there's a lot of them, some they're really funny, but yeah, you just find all the videos that you could possibly just need to help with your video. And yeah, I decided to pick this one. It was kind of vibey, but then I remembered I already used it. But yeah, I prefer that one, you know. It's nice. So you can still scroll down and get more, but yeah, you know. So the thing is that you can also do something else, like upload your video, keep it private or schedule for another day, and then wait about 24 hours to see if there's a copyright. Then you're like, okay, do I want to keep the video, or I can just delete the video and then look where the copyright is and get a new sound and then upload it again. So just upload it in private, don't do it public. So just upload it in private and then go to YouTube Studio and wait about if not 24 hours or just 5 hours or less to see if any copyright was detected on your video, to avoid all this copyrights and editing and trimming, and also the wacky music there that you might put in your video, making your whole video not worth or not aligning with the beat that you took on YouTube. So just upload it, wait a little bit longer, see if there's any copyrights. If there's no copyright, then do it public. Then you avoid all this process of having to trim and cut and having not the type of content that you wanted for your YouTube. But since some of us learned it now, we are showing for you who already also learning through YouTube. You probably might be new. This will help you how to get your channel great without having to delete your whole channel and having to start over again, because there are people eventually just had to delete their YouTube because of copyright once they monetize, because they were now taking all the money that they worked for. So just for those who are not monetized yet, guys, I think this is best for you. So I replaced my beat. That's where you see it. I selected the sound, replaced it there. It will literally say remove if you already had it. If you don't have it, it's gonna say edit, add. So Now it's loading, replacing the sound with that wacky sound, and now it is blue, where the red one will be replaced with the blue one, and ta-da, will be done. That one will be gone and they will not have my money. So that's how it's going to look. It's going to look blue, aligning with the beat that I'm in. And then yeah, that is basically it's basically not that difficult, and it's just easy. Just choose the sound that you want, listen to it. If you feel like it's good, you do it. Then it says here, ready to replace the song. It might take a while. Once the audio claim has been successfully replaced, will update any viewing, monetizing restrictions. Users will continue to see the current version of your video until the edits are processed. All right, so it will just show you that, and then you know that you're good to go. Sometimes it also tells you that it's still, you didn't cover the length of the actual song, and then it will tell you to cover the whole length by maybe getting another song to cover that 1 minute or 2 minute part of it. So that is done. You say save, and then it will go to that part where it just shows you the video editing is in process. Therefore, you cannot click on the action. Once I've processed, then you see your video, look at it, are you pleased or not, and then yeah, now we are done, guys. We're done with the editing. Now your girl has literally, see now how it is now. It says checking for any other sound, checking for the running of your edited videos. Checks are needed to run on your edited video to check that the edited content for any issue. Therefore, it will look for any other sounds or any other copyright sounds on your video, and then it will show you that if you still have another copy, all right, and then it's going to say checking found, and then it's going to look like the one as bar date checking found. Then I will, once it finished processing, I'll go back to the video and replace the other sound on that video, because you find that if you only changed one but didn't change all of the sounds, then later on you just have a non-beautiful restricted video. So that's how it's gonna look. So guys, like literally, I just feel like most people do not know this, and they don't understand how very important it is. If your YouTube is just for fun, sure, but just think about when you actually want the money from YouTube. It will help you in the long run. I'm telling you, it's just going to be a nice side hustle that's going to push you and get you up to there. And don't forget, you can also schedule videos on YouTube. I will be uploading more videos about copyright free music so that you don't have to go far. If you're already on my channel, keep posted to my channel so you can get copyright free music. I do it for you so you don't have to. So I'll be uploading a lot of videos right now just to help you guys with finding copyright music, and you can now vibe. You can just screen record the whole video and you'll be good. So here it says copyright, like before that it says copyright protected content found. The owner allows content to be used on a video. Sure, they do allow you, but once you monetize and now you have ads, they can claim from that. So keep posted to my channel so you can get that copyright free music, so that you don't have to go through disputes or sharing your money with the original owner, right? So you just use copyright. It will help you guys. Don't forget that also SoundCloud also has copyright free music. Just go on SoundCloud and say copyright music, or you can go on YouTube and say copyright free music, and you can download copyright free music so that you don't have to get yourself in this shenanigans of having to edit and trim out. It kind of disturbs the content and the flow of your video, to be honest. But if there's much, you just do that and then it fixes. Yeah, you see, it takes a little bit long time. It's processing, but it will remove and you will have a very clean video. So since you're done here, let me show you where you can get copyright free music. So you just go on YouTube and say copyright free music for YouTube videos, and it will show you all the videos you could possibly find. And yeah, just look, it just suggests all the type of beats you might know what you like. As I'm not the only one, there's so many people on YouTube that has copyright free music. You just need to always remember that you need to put it in private to check that really it is copyright free music, to avoid editing or that on. But YouTube Studio does also allow you to upload beats from your device to YouTube and edit parts of your video, but then again it's another process of having to check if there is copyright on that beat. So yeah, so these are all the beats. You can see it's a lot, guys. There's a lot of people who have that for you guys. So now let's go back to my channel and let me show you how many videos are now non-copyright. Look, clean slate, not even one copyright. That means your girl will not have any problems in the future when it comes to her money. Look, clean slate, all the videos, copyright restrictions, none. See, none. So if I can do it, you can do it. So you see, not even one video. All my videos are now copyright free because of the technique that I just showed you guys. So guys, that's all you had to do. That is easy peasy. No stress, no hassle, no problem, no nothing. Now you just have a free copyright video channel, and you can now get the best views, saying they can promote your video far enough without having to share your money. Because once you have copyright, it's difficult to promote your video, especially when it's caps. I realize that they also don't like promoting videos where your title is in capital letters. So yeah, guys, I genuinely feel like I am so happy to see it like this. Every time you see a video and has a copyright, it was kind of tiring. But these are the techniques and tips and tricks on how to keep your YouTube channel clean. Like, I can't even stop scrolling. The excitement, just to prove to you that, guys, that you can remove it. So just go on your phone, download YouTube Studio on your phone, and then you remove it. I believe also here you can also choose to do it on your shorts. It's not only on your videos, but usually now you just have to dispute, and it's a long thing. But the shorts policy does allow you to use somebody's songs, especially for shorts, because they know that most of our videos come from trends and all that. But yeah, it's usually just best to just let it go, or use sounds from YouTube themselves, because there are sounds on YouTube. Look at the trends, look if the song is already available on YouTube, from where you got it, from TikTok or from Instagram or from Facebook. Check that sound's name on those platforms, and then go on YouTube and look for that sound. Then you use the sound on YouTube rather than using the sound on Facebook. You can just mute your sound on the original video, and then use the exact sound but the one that you found on YouTube, to also avoid all this short policies and stuff like that. So yeah, see, clean channel, no fish in the fish bowl. So yeah, hey guys, so we are back from the tutorial. So guys, that's how you do it, and I hope that most of you guys can actually remove all that if you actually do prefer removing the music. And this will also help you guys from getting more copyright free music for your videos, to avoid you guys from getting copyright strikes and all these issues. So your girl is helping you out, so can all grow. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment under that video. Don't forget to support your girl, and yeah, see you in the next little video. Bye.